Hi everyone, I'm mega excited because the new wax sewing threads have just arrived, and I thought it would be fun if we open the box together and we could have a closer look at the colours and what you would get in either set. One set being 12 reels, 12 colours, and the other set being 24 reels, 24 colours. So let's take a closer look. Okay, I'm just going to put the camera down and face the delivery box in question. Here it is. Look. Okay. So this is the 24 reel set. You're pretty much sorted for colours of the rainbow. Absolutely loving the aqua, obviously. The variegated thread, that is pretty darn yummy. And of course you've got your Caribbean brights there, and you've got some classics here. So we'll have a close look at that in a minute. So that is the 24 reel set. And here is the classics set, I suppose. So this is 12 reels with your more, I suppose, more earthy, more classic colours if you just wanted to give, if you're just starting out and you wanted to give them a go, or maybe jazzy colours just aren't your thing so much. Okay, so let's put this box. So as you can see, this is how the reels will come. They're packed in cellophane bag, and each of the reels themselves are packed in more cellophane because we don't want the wax coming off and going all over the other reels and obviously getting all over your hands. So they're packed nicely. Let's move the box to one side a minute and have a closer look. So I'm just going to start with my favourite, can't guess why, I'm just going to have a open this up because I'm going to be keeping this set to myself. Okay, so let's start with the variegated because I bet you that's the one that you're wondering about the most, and I cannot wait to get inside. So the 24 pack has bunches of reels wrapped in their own cellophane, so they're really carefully packed. Each reel is a really good size, so each reel is 50 meters long, which is more than enough to finish a single bag. In fact, my guess is it might even do two. So this is the variegated. Oh, isn't that lovely? I don't know how they do it. Oh, but look, each colour melds into another colour, and it's just joyous. So we've got green, red, yellow, blue. Oh, that's just wonderful. Maybe if I could put that against something white. Look at that. That's just absolutely happy, happy, happy. That would just basically look amazing on all sorts of colour bags, but as you can see, it's really popping against this cream background here. Love that to bits. And teal, well, that's pretty much my favourite colour after the rainbow. Look at that, look how lovely. That's just Caribbean all over. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that, the blue on the cream. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So the more jazzy of you could think of maybe sewing up a white purse with this lovely, lovely teal thread. Lovely for the summer months. And what else have we got? We've got this lovely sage green. I won't keep unwrapping all of the others. Lovely shades of, oh, that's a really nice, well, that's sort of like a gunmetal, and a lovely silver and an off-white, and in the middle you've got really lovely warm sort of shades of autumn and of sunsets. This is a gorgeous aubergine. So I have to take this. Oh, look at that. Once you take off the wrapping, oh, that is just lovely. That's almost like a claret. And when the sun bounces off the threads, it's gorgeous. I am going to have lots of fun with these. So this is great for your neutrals. There's a lovely sand there. Really nice gold. And a couple of shades, a few shades of brown. I can see that this is going to be a very useful row. And if you're anything like me and you like a bit of a carnival, this is also going to be a very lovely row. Look at that peacock. That is just delicious. And you've got your bubblegum pink. Absolutely delicious. You've got your classic red. Must have. Gorgeous electric blue. Oh, and a delicious purpley, royal purple colour. That's lovely and deep. And a zingy orange. So that was all the 24 set with the variegated threads. Absolutely yum 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 yum. And those were probably my two favourite colours. Okay, so that was the 24 colour set. And this is the 12 colour set, which I call the more classic set. So I'm not going to unwrap these because I'm not going to be keeping any of this set. So that here's your classic poppy red. We've got a nice sort of electric blue there. That's really classy. Sort of like a midnight blue. And this one is like a really super dark jade green. Again, that's very, very classy. And then you can see more of your classic sort of sands, oatmeals. There's the purple there. There's sort of like a lovely amber here. A nice Kelly green. And this is almost, I would say this is a nearly black. No, actually, once I take the wrapping off, it's pure black. So that is the 12 roll set, which will cover most of your bases. So, you know, these sets are super good value, super good value for money. The 12 roll set is $14.75, and so that's $14.75, and the 24 roll set is super good value at £24. So that's just £1 a reel, and that is mega good value for money, because remember, you're getting 50 meters per roll, which is more than enough to finish any project, especially when you consider that this is the size roll that you get with each and every kit. So if you compare this roll from the reels, it's 50 meters compared to a roll that you would get from a kit. You can see that these reels are tremendous value for money. Grab a set, you have them in your stash, and then whenever you want to sew your own kit and you're thinking, well, the boring white just really isn't doing it for me, I think that I am going to sew the kit in variegated, or I'm going to sew it in a nice teal, or I think actually I don't want to sew in white. I think maybe I will sew in this nice amber colour instead. You can do that. It would look amazing. And you know how it is. I'm sure you've seen shirts with collars and cuffs, and sometimes they've got a different colour button on, or they've got contrast stitching on, or if you imagine how amazing contrast stitching looks on jeans. So when you've got different colour threads, you can create that effect at home for not a lot of cost and making things look very, very expensive, which is very handy when you're gifting your bags or if you're showing them off yourself. Anyway, go to my shop, sewlisalamb.com, and you will find the threads there. Thanks for watching. Bye.